Hi, Linda Gregorian. Well, for the past few years, a lot of my clients, along with a lot of you, have taken advantage of the low interest rates. Well, times they are a-changing, my friend. Interest rates are going up. We've officially hit a high for 2015, averaging about, for a 30-year loan, about 4.08%. So, what does that mean? Well, as a buyer, what you really want to do is take advantage of this time in the low interest rates before they go up. You want to lock in those rates and get yourself into a property to take advantage. And sellers, chances are you're not moving into your car, you're going to end up buying another house. So of course you are buyers as well. Now, aside from that, as a seller, the more qualified and ready and eager buyers that we have, the better, obviously. So take advantage of the time. Let's get it going before interest rates go up even further. Give me a call. We'll get together and get you in your new home. Linda Gregorian. Talk to you soon.